Hello, you're welcome back. In this video we're going to see how we can use the magnetic data to get the lineament. In another video we'll see how to use the digital elevation model to get the lineament, how we can match the two to get the lineament density map. So let's start with the bias montage. Open the Aero new project, then under, so this is our residual, the map. Step filter, we need to get the first vertical derivative. Select the residual. Here we'll call it the first vertical derivative xy. Then here you call it fvd.con. Then filter. Remember, I have to be a projected coordinate system. Then you click on this. Then you call to magnetic derivative, first derivative. Then click OK. Okay. Then we are good to go. This is the first vertical derivative. Then we need to GS to load a menu, which is called the CAT grid analysis menu. Then open. Now it's open. So the first step, texture analysis, standard deviation. Then we enter its first vertical derivative. Then we will call it FVD, then STD for short. That's the output. It's process. Then go back. The second step is this: ridges and valleys. Just pick it up. Just click apply. Now they are coming up. Then the third step is this: third, fourth, fifth. Amplitude thresholding. Just click apply. Line thinning applied. Then the last one, skeleton to vectors. Apply. I see this is what we have, which is now a map. Skeleton vector map. This we go to click on this. You click on this, you select this, then go to map, export. Make sure that you select selection, then shape file. Click on screen so you have less size. Selection, shape file, screen, then OK. Then we'll go back one more time. We'll go to our shape file. They're called the lineament arrow, and click save. So now we can click on Windows, close all. So this is the lineament. I will create the lineament from the aeromagnetic data.